The spaces we craft are more than just structures. They are a promise built on bonds that last. With each foundation, we don't just build for today. We create legacies for tomorrow. Every brick we lay is infused with purpose, inspiring transformation and growth. We are not just building homes. We are nurturing a trust that feels like family. For over 6 decades, we've turned aspirations into homes and business spaces. Over 6 decades of expertise, integrity, and commitment to creating lasting value with roots that run deep. Damji Shyamji Shah Group has been shaping Mumbai skyline for over 6 decades. From residential to commercial and redevelopment projects, each space we craft embodies our founders' values: trust, quality, and joy for generations. Damji Shyamji Shah Group is recognized for its pioneering role in developing some of the first organized industrial estates in Mumbai during the mid-20th century. With humble beginnings during 1965 to 69, DSS Group did construction work for organizations such as Rallies India, RBI, LIC, and Air India. Every milestone marks a chapter of our commitment to quality, precision, and trust. From the visionary roots of our founder to the passion of the new generation, 4 generations united in purpose and progress. Guided by a vision that transcends boundaries, we shape spaces where dreams take form. With each project, we pursue a mission to inspire, uplift, and bring lasting value to every life we touch. Honesty, transparency, trust, empathy deliver value through accumulated expertise and adherence to promised social orientation. At the heart of our journey are values that guide us. Each award is a testament to our dedication, a recognition of our pursuit of excellence in every project. It was founded by Shri Damji Shyamji Shah, an epitome of perfection. He laid the strong foundation of the DSS Group, which remains strong to this day. BMC has recognized the services of Shri Damji Shyamji Shah and has named a chowk near our office as Damji Shyamji Shah Chowk at Ghatkopar East. Carrying ahead the rich legacy of Shri Damji Shyamji Shah, Mr. Chandrakant Damji Shah became the successor of the foundation, carving a distinctive identity for the DSS Group, and his leadership continues to be a model for future generations of entrepreneurs, reflecting the importance of innovation, sustainability, and ethical business practices. Mr. Vasantlal Damji Shah, along with the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th generations and our associate partners, are elevating realty skylines and lifestyles. Today, the 4th generation, with the wings of innovation and latest trends, is attaining resounding success following the path laid by Shri Damji Shyamji Shah. Mahavir Spring, 42 and 50-story high-rise towers with 900 plus flats and 50 plus lifestyle amenities at Pokhran Road 2, Thane. Mahavir Vista and Vista Point, over 200 plus flats and 50 plus retail outlets at Off Pokhran Road 2, Thane. Mahavir Square, 2 towers with over 250 plus flats at Chitalsar, Thane. Mahavir Kalpavruksha, 35-story tower with over 400 plus flats at Kasarvadavli, GB Road, Thane. Mahavir Bliss, 150 plus flats and 25 plus amenities at Balkum, Thane. 72 Marina, 4 wings with over 300 plus flats at Sakinaka, Andheri East. Tivon Park, Ghatkopar West. 8 wings, 1, 2, 3 BHK with over 250 plus flats. Nav Indralok at Ghatkopar East. Damji Shamji Zenith, commercial project with over 50 plus boutique offices at Sanatorium Lane, Ghatkopar West. Damji Shamji Business 78, commercial project with over 70 plus premium offices at Kanjur Marg West. A few of our completed projects in the last decade. Mahavir Kalpavruksha at Thane West, 9 towers with over 600 plus happy families. Mahavir Millennium at Thane West, 3 towers with over 200 plus happy families. Mahavir Estella at Thane West, 7 towers with over 200 plus happy families. Mahavir Galaxy at Mulund West, 3 wings with over 125 happy families. Mahavir Universe at Bhandup West, 4 towers with over 650 plus happy families. Mahavir Solitaire at Ghatkopar East. Mahavir Vasundhara at Ghatkopar East. Mahavir Aquila at Ghatkopar East. Mahavir Arya at Ghatkopar East. Mahavir Habitat at Chembur. Mahavir Orion at Matunga East. Damji Shamji Corporate Square at Ghatkopar East. Damji Shamji Business Galleria at Kanjur Marg West. Our commitment to growth continues with exciting future projects in prime locations. Mahavir Uptown City, spread across 14 plus acres at Ambarnath. Mahavir Happiness City, spread across 28 plus acres at Moharpada, Thane. We leave a lasting footprint across Mumbai, transforming the cityscape and enhancing the lives of its residents, one landmark at a time. As we look to the future, we remain dedicated to our mission of excellence, innovation, and trust. In every brick and beam, we craft not just buildings, but stories of community, trust, and enduring value.